back, guys. Today we're going to be staining grout. We're going to revive this grout, make it look amazing. All you need are these things. You need your grout stain, you need an applicator, you need a little brush sealer. You can use, sometimes you can use a toothbrush, that works fine. Delicate areas, mask them off. That's it. Beautiful result. Really nice. Turned out really good. I would give this a 9 out of 10. If you clean out your applicators with hot water, you'll be able to reuse them again at least one more time. Pro tip, don't walk around in your socks until it's dry. Well, there you have another Hardy project. If you like what you see, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button for notifications. See you on the next one.